Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get an allowance from Revolut. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Revolut app, then go to the menu, which is on the right side of the screen, where you can choose from all these different options. For now, we are looking for the credit option, which has only one section, the loans section. And here you can get a loan from Revolut, which means that you can apply from the app 100% online. The limit is around 25,000 bucks right now. And when you just tap on the Get a Loan feature, you can set up the amount of money that you are applying for and the period of your loan. Obviously, I can't show this screen because it's secret information and Revolut doesn't allow me to record. But from this point, it's very easy. You just have to set the period and the amount, and you just tap on apply, and you are going to receive an answer in a few minutes. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.